Some luxury sedans report 70% fewer mechanical failures than their competitors. And the winners may surprise you, because when you choose the right model, your yearly maintenance costs can literally be cut in half. And the data proves it. But here's the real question. Which luxury sedan can go over 200,000 miles, while costing less than $500 a year to maintain? Today, we're breaking down the most reliable luxury sedans of 2025. Not based on hype, not based on brand image, but based on real-world reliability data, owner reports, and long-term durability numbers. If you're spending $40,000, $60,000, even $90,000 on a luxury sedan, you deserve one that doesn't turn into a financial nightmare. And surprisingly, the most luxurious cars aren't always the ones from Germany. So get comfortable, because the results of this list may genuinely change your next car buying decision. Number 6. Acura TLX. At number 6, we have a sedan that proves you don't need a European badge to enjoy real luxury. The Acura TLX stands as one of the smartest luxury purchases in 2025. Built on Honda's legendary engineering foundation, the TLX brings Japanese reliability into the premium segment, and the data backs that up. Owners report 60% fewer major mechanical issues over the first 5 years compared to similarly priced European luxury sedans. That includes engine components, transmission behavior, and even things most luxury cars struggle with: electronics. And this part is crazy. The TLX has 70% fewer infotainment failures, screen freezes, and connectivity issues than German competitors. In a luxury car market where tech glitches are increasingly common, that alone gives the TLX a massive reliability edge. Under the hood, Acura offers a refined powertrain with smooth shifting, and its dual-clutch transmission maintains Honda's reputation for bulletproof longevity. Maintenance averages just $550 per year, which is astonishing for a premium sedan. The ride quality strikes a balance between sporty firmness and executive comfort. But the real luxury here is peace of mind. You're getting a sedan with upscale features, gorgeous interior design, and real reliability that lasts beyond 150,000 miles. And if you're already impressed by the TLX, wait until you hear about the next car, because it flips the entire luxury category on its head. Number 5. Mercedes-Benz E-Class. When you think reliability, German luxury isn't usually the first thing that comes to mind. But the Mercedes-Benz E-Class Coupe is the exception. Specifically the models equipped with the naturally aspirated 3.5-liter V6. That engine has gained a reputation over the years for exceptional durability. No turbo stress, no hybrid complexity, just smooth, clean mechanical longevity. The E-Class Coupe scores an 8.3 reliability rating, standing above most mid-sized luxury cars. Owners praise the engine for hitting high mileage with minimal issues, and the interior build quality for aging gracefully, something many cars struggle with. Now here's the trade-off. Air suspension components can require replacement. That's the cost of driving a Mercedes with that signature cloud-like ride. But here's the good news. Once replaced, they typically last for years. What really sets the E-Class Coupe apart is driving feel. The steering, the cabin isolation, the soft but controlled ride. This sedan still feels like a old-school Mercedes engineering. And unlike many newer German sedans, the E-Class in this configuration avoids complex high-risk powertrains and electronics, meaning fewer long-term surprises. For buyers who want the prestige of a German badge and genuine reliability, the E-Class Coupe is the safest bet. But if you want reliability so good it borders on boring, the next car does that better than almost anything on the road. The 4. Toyota Crown. Toyota is known for reliability, but the 2025 Toyota Crown is where Toyota quietly steps into the luxury world, without the luxury-level maintenance costs. Under the hood is a premium 340 horsepower hybrid powertrain that delivers smooth acceleration and excellent fuel efficiency. But the real headline is reliability. Only one minor recall, average annual maintenance. Just $450. Less than half the cost of owning a comparable German luxury sedan. The Crown is essentially a stealth luxury sedan. The interior feels upscale, the cabin is whisper quiet, and it offers a commanding driving position with executive-level comfort. But unlike many luxury sedans, it doesn't punish you financially. Its hybrid system is based on Toyota's proven long-life architecture, the same DNA found in the Prius, Lexus ES Hybrid, and RAV4 Hybrid, all of which have outstanding longevity records. The Crown isn't trying to be sporty. It isn't trying to compete with BMW or Mercedes in performance. Instead, it focuses on what matters to long-term owners. Smooth ride, low stress on components. Simple, durable engineering, and incredible reliability. But the next pick is where the luxury truly begins. Because from here on out, every sedan on this list is capable of 200,000 miles or more. Number 3. Lexus ES Hybrid. The Lexus ES Hybrid might be the most underrated luxury sedan in the world, and the numbers prove it. This car takes Toyota's world-famous hybrid technology and wraps it in true luxury. Leather interiors, quiet cabins, smooth suspension, and top-tier build quality. But the real power of the ES Hybrid isn't the comfort, it's the longevity. Owners routinely push these cars to 200,000 plus miles with minimal breakdowns. And that legendary reliability is why the ES Hybrid boasts one of the highest loyalty rates in the luxury market. 65% of ES Hybrid owners buy another Lexus. That doesn't happen by accident. The powertrain is designed to be nearly stress-free. The battery technology is proven. The engine runs cool, and the transmission doesn't suffer the wear you see in turbocharged or dual-clutch systems. Another advantage: the ES Hybrid holds its resale value significantly better than most luxury sedans. It doesn't depreciate like German cars because buyers trust its long-term durability. Maintenance requirements are light and predictable. There's no complex air suspension, no high-risk turbos, no temperamental infotainment systems. Just pure, consistent reliability. Driving the ES Hybrid feels like floating, and the hybrid system makes city cruising nearly silent. For a luxury sedan meant to last a decade or more, this one is nearly unbeatable. But if the ES Hybrid is this good, imagine what happens when Lexus builds a machine designed to compete with the S-Class. 2. Lexus LS 500. The Lexus LS 500 doesn't just compete with the Mercedes, S-Class, and BMW 7 Series. It often outlasts them. This is the flagship Lexus, the full-size luxury sedan built with insane engineering precision. Everything in the LS is overbuilt, over-engineered, designed to last far beyond warranty periods. And the reliability data is shocking. Reliability rating: 8.2 out of 10, capable of 200,000 plus miles with proper care. Around 70% fewer major mechanical issues than the S-Class and 7 Series. Let that sink in. Feature for feature, the LS matches the German giants, yet experiences significantly fewer problems in the first 5 years. The cabin is pure craftsmanship. Leather, wood, hand-stitched trim, and a ride so smooth you almost forget roads have bumps. The suspension is engineered to absorb everything without the complexity that can make German air systems fail. Even the small things add up. Buttons last longer. Electronics glitch less. Interior materials resist wear. And the engine remains buttery smooth long after competitors develop issues. The LS isn't about being flashy. It's about being quietly magnificent. A luxury sedan you can drive for 15 years and still trust. And yet, as good as the LS is, it still isn't number one. Because the next car has reliability numbers that almost don't seem real. Number 1. Lexus IS Hybrid. We have a luxury sedan that blends sporty performance with unbelievable reliability. The Lexus IS Hybrid is the highest-rated luxury sedan in reliability for 2025, scoring 79 out of 100 on Consumer Reports. A number rarely seen in the luxury market. Its yearly maintenance cost, just $240. That is not a typo. This sedan costs less to maintain than many economy cars, while delivering Lexus-level comfort and premium quality. Why is the IS Hybrid so reliable? Its powertrain is based on Toyota's ultra-tested hybrid platform. This system is engineered to run cool, reduce engine load, and avoid the stress that causes wear over time. Lexus avoids unnecessary complexity, no extreme turbocharging, no fragile transmissions, just a balanced, efficient drivetrain. Interior parts last longer, electronics malfunction less frequently, and even after years of use, the IS still feels solid. Most sporty luxury sedans sacrifice durability for performance. The IS Hybrid doesn't. It offers sharp handling, responsive steering, and a planted ride, all without the reliability penalties. Owners consistently report flawless long-term performance, extremely low repair frequency, and shockingly low annual running costs. When you look at everything, longevity, maintenance, powertrain simplicity, build quality, the Lexus is. Hybrid isn't just the most reliable luxury sedan of 2025. It's one of the most reliable luxury sedans ever built. If you're enjoying this breakdown, hit the like button so more people can avoid unreliable luxury cars. And if you want more deep dive research videos like this, make sure you're subscribed. We're not just giving opinions. We're giving real numbers, real data, and real long-term insights. Choosing a luxury sedan should feel exciting, not stressful. And the truth is, you don't need the most expensive badge to get the best quality. Some of the most reliable sedans on the market quietly outperform the brands with the biggest marketing budgets. Now, if you want to go even deeper, the next video covers the most reliable full-size SUVs of 2025. And trust me, the ranking will surprise you even more than this one.